Hey guys, this is Alex from ConvertLead, and in this short video I will try to walk you through the funnel and how to navigate through all the features of ConvertLead and our prospecting module. So first of all, this is the front-end offer prospector. This is what you see if you only have front-end access, and the way this works, you download the extension right here. Then you watch the how it works video right here, and then you start your extension, start sending leads to start sending LinkedIn profiles to this dashboard. Once the scraping process stopped, the extension will send the data in here. Our backend algorithm will start looking for emails. We'll run like 100 processes per each profile till it finds the lead, and the moment the email or contact information is found, it will be sent to this dashboard. To be able to show them, to see them in here, you will have to click refresh every once in a while. Like if you scraped just now, it will take like 20 or 30 seconds per profile to find its email. Once you have at least one lead or more, you will see them just like this guy I have in my dashboard. What you can do from here is to select the guy and move it to a folder. To do so, select the folder from this drop down and click on move to folders. Then inside your folders you will be able to see the enriched leads, and every time you add a lead to a folder, 1 credit will be deducted from your monthly credits. Inside the folders, you'll have all the lead info we found, along with the email, address, website, and a few other things. And you will also have some outreach features, like if the lead only has the email address found, you will have the email outreach feature. If we find a phone number too, you will also be able to go to your profile, add a Twilio integration, and then you will also see a call button inside these folders right here near the email. Now the next thing you can do is add this lead to your CRM account. If you have the whole funnel, you will see the CRM is right here on the left, and once you click in here and add it to a pipeline and to a campaign, you will be able to see your leads in the leads page and be able to drag it through your stages into your pipelines, automate it, and do a lot of other things. So this is prospecting. This is Prospector LinkedIn edition. If you wanna check the third OTO, which is or the second OTO, which is the Facebook module of Prospector, you will be able to do so by entering a key phrase and a location, and just click on fetch. You will be asked to log in with your Facebook, and you will see the same some similar results in here that can be added to folders and enriched just like this. Both the LinkedIn and the Facebook modules have been built to work together seamlessly, so you can use both sources in the same time with no issues. Now the third OTO is the pages module, which is our page builder. You can access it by clicking this button right here, and you will see that we have a couple of templates. You can add your custom domains by going here, and edit your projects by clicking the preview image of each, and open the page builder like this. Inside the builder, everything is drag and drop. You just drag these things in here and you have a website real quick. You can save it, you can export it, and you can optimize it however you like. Then the fourth OTO is our CRM, as I already explained, and this is a really a pretty complex app with lots of features. We have a lot of articles on our support desk, on our knowledge base, and I'm about to upload the how-to videos, the onboarding videos, in 1 or 2 days. So you will be able to go through all the features inside ConvertLead by watching these. With that being said, I think I've covered most of the things as quick as possible in the quickest in the small amount of time I had. So if there is anything else you may need, let me know.